Good day. My name is Leonila Juniora Canuday Olarte. I'm currently living in Barangay Holy Spirit, Quezon City, Philippines. I am 45 years old and I am single. My religion is Roman Catholic. I have two brothers and two sisters. I am the fifth child of the family. I am a high school graduate. I have experience before in Bahrain as a domestic helper for 5 years in one employer. Since May 2016 to February 2021, I served six members of the family, one couple and four children, aged 32, 34, 36, and 38. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing the clothes, and ironing the clothes. And another experience as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years in one employer since November 2021 to 2023. I served seven members of the family, one couple and five children, age 18, 21, 23, 25, and 28. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing the clothes, and ironing the clothes. Ma'am, please select me as your helper because I am hardworking, loyal, honest, and responsible person, and I promise to stay as long as you want me. Thank you and God bless.